Hello everyone, welcome to Android tutorials. Now I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Android application. So let me start with how to create a new application. So go to file and then new and select Android application project, and it will ask for your application name. Let's give it as a hello and then go for a next. And select the blank activity here, and then this will be your launching Java file name, and this will be your XML file which supports the UI of main activity, and then click finish. Here your Android application is created. This is the by default application which will be created by the Eclipse or the platform. So now let us see what we are going to build. So I will show you that. First, this is the screen of our mobile. First, we are going to create the login page. This will be a username, and this will be a password, and this will be a button. So, this will be a username. It is the password, and this will be a login button. Login. So after that, we are going to we are going to enter username and password, and going to click the login. After clicking the login, we are going to open with the another second screen, the another page or the another class, where we will be finding the message called hello guys. So now we are going to learn how to design the login page, and how to connect from one page to another. So in order to create from one page to another, we are going to use the intent here. So let us go for coding and see how we do that. So this was the default application that was created. So let us see the XML view of the UI. So if now we are going to draw three materials here. That one is for username, another one is for password, and another is the button. So no need to. It is not compulsion that you have to know the XML, because you have a graphical layout where you have a drag and drop options. So here we have a first name, last name, that is a person name. We can drag and drop it here to enter the username, and we have a password, and you can drag and drop it here, and we also have the button. We can drag and drop it here, and later you can align these things wherever you want, like this. So when we go for the XML view, it is going to automatically create the code here. So the first one is the username. It is with the ID edit text 1, and the second one is the edit text 2. That is this is the password. Here it is showing input type is a password, and we have the button with the text button. Let us change it for login. So save it and view here. So you have a button login. So now let us know how to get these access into the Java. So we have a Java file in our source folder. This is our Java file, and we are going to access the control of those things which are present in the XML by the code as follows. That is edit text. We have the we are presently accessing the username. Let us give the name as username. That is to edit text. The find view by by id and r dot id dot, and then go to the id is edit text 1. So, and now we have not imported, so it is asking for an import. You can just click on the red line, it will show suggest you the things like this, then import these things. Double click on the import and you will import the things. And then we are going to access the control of password, that is edit text password. D dot edit text 2. Now we have accessed the two things. One is username and another is a password, and now let us access the button. So the accessing the button is the same as these things, and you just need to change it to button and change this one also to button, and we will give it as login button, login, and the name of id of the button is button 1. So we have not imported, so go for import. And these are locally declared, so the yellow color warning is suggesting us to declare these things globally. So we can also do the things like this, just copy this, sorry, copy this and paste them globally. Username, password, and the button is button login. So you can remove these things because we can't declare them twice, as they will become clumsy. So save it, and this is perfect. So we want to go for the second screen. So let us learn how to create the second screen. So go to the package, that is right click on the package and new, and create another class with the name the second. Okay, second. So it is going to create the another class called a second. You can extend with activity, because we are going for the second activity. We want to go for second activity, and now it will ask for import the activity, and import it, and just copy paste the on create stub here. So you want the on create stub to be copied here, and now you need another XML file for the second Java file. So we have not closed the things here, so we are closing, and create the second activity with the name activity underscore second. So how to create another XML file? Click on the right click on the layout and then go for a and.xml file, or else you can also do this. Right click on the layout and then new and go for a file, and you have to choose the layout folder and then name it as activity underscore second, or you can name it as you want, or you can also create the layout as go for a new and then Android XML file. Here you can choose which are layout you want. For now you can choose the relative layout or else a linear layout, whatever you want. Let me choose a relative layout, yes, it's a relative layout, and give the name as activity underscore second. So finish. Yeah, now you have got the second. So let us give uh, the message as same as the first one, that is remove the two content here and give the message as welcome. Right, all right, and close the relative layout here. Yes, now you have your main activity and its XML file, and the second activity and its XML file. Now how to join these two things? So to join these two things, now let us we are going to enter username, password, and click the login button. On click of login button, it has to enter to the second that is for the second of Java file. So we are going to write the method for the on click of the login button. So in the XML file, we are going to write Android on click. It will going to suggest you the on click equal to um, mm, jump. Okay, jump. So on the click of a button, that is login button, we are going to execute the jump method directly. So let us access the jump method here. So you have to write the methods all out of on create function. So we are going to write it as a public or a protected, whatever you want. The public void jump, and then view, right? And here is your method. You have to import the view, and then if we want to jump for the second page, then we are going to write the intent. Intent is the thing which is going to connect the two pages. Okay, now the intent for the intent, I'm going to give the name as I, and equal to new intent, and this means the present activity or the present class. We want to jump to which class? We want to jump to second class. So second dot class. All right, yeah, and then start activity, and you have to import the intent, and after this start activity. The meaning of this is when you give the intent, when you click the button, you are going to for the second activity, and you are going for the on create of second activity, and you are going to start the second activity. And now let's run this on a virtual device. I have told you how to create the virtual device. Once again, I'm going to show you how to create the virtual device then by the name hello, and the device name will be something like this, and the RAM will be all assigned, and then go to OK, and it has created your device here hello, and then go to start and then launch the virtual device. It will take a little moment to launch the virtual device, so wait for that. So meanwhile, I'm going to tell you one more thing, that there will be a thing called Android manifest, where you have to you have to name your all activities here. You have to declare all activities here. By default, the launch activity will be declared here like this, and when you give the intent, this thing is must. So it is the activity, then it is the activity. Now we are going to name our activity name as it's a second activity, so the name is the name is is same like this. You can also give the whole package name, or you can also give the dot extension, only a dot extension from here to here. So our second activity name is second dot, I think it's a capital S, second, and then sorry, and now close the activity here. Close the activity by, if you forget this, forget to mention your activity here in the manifest, then you are going to prompt with the error message. Elemented activity must be followed by, yeah. So I have to close this one. It's done. Okay. And meanwhile, our virtual device is launched. It will look like the same as your phone. Now let us launch our application on this. Go to right click on your project and run it as, and then choose Android application, right? And it will going to show you the options on which device your application should be launched. So when you connect your phone to your laptop, the option of will also be shown here. So give the name as Sabipa, and password is something like this, whatever you want, and then go for login. Yeah, now we came to second page where we have the welcome message. So this is the second page where we have a welcome message. This one is the second page. Here is the simple Android application which you can try easily at home, and hope all have understood. Thank you so much. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more coding. Happy coding. Thank you.